Right, Monday, folks. Right, clear up there, and you mean this is the start of your gates here. And I'd like to see how we do them. If you see this, that's there all glued. You see it's all clamped together that now, right? That'll be rebeat it out. We use this machine here. This is what you use, and it goes in like that. Great machine with two of them. We're getting an eye, maybe anybody can give me any feedback on the 500, that's the 700. And then what we do here is red oiled, they're no glued in, I dig in there. So that's 6 of them, and then got that, and then they're all clamped together. Then you've 3 spindles, and then they're glued in too, you with me? And it all clamps together. And then this is rebeat out, then we've full wood in there, then the metal frame on them. Can't go wrong with these gates, can't go wrong by the way. And if they say hello to Gordon, Spike and Beattie for one of our #1 followers, and Duncan Ferguson too, and there are 2 more I'll mention tomorrow, so but he's a great, keep following. I really appreciate you sharing and following all the time to Duncan Ferguson there and Gordon, Spike, Beattie. Don't know where the Gordon comes out, just I know him, Spike. Anyway, so that's these are going to get painted green with a black frame, and they're going to look stupendous. And I'm going to look at Joe. How we doing for time there, Joe? We're running out at 1:30. Where am I now?
124.
124, there you go. Cheerio, 3 seconds to go. Bye!